Hi, today for the HUAWEI NOVA 11i and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we got the ring message and notifications volume panel, and just to mute ringtone we should mute ring volume panel with the help of this white dot. So just you should slide to the left side, that's white dot on ring volume panel. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just first in default volume button control switch media to ringtone, and just by press to the down volume button. After that you could also mute the ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.